we're currently here in Pier Dos, here in Cebu City. Nagdock na ang Light Ferry 10. So this is the official galleon which will be carrying the image of Señor Santo Niño during the fluvial procession along the Mactan Channel. And as you can see guys, I'm gonna show you sa hitsura sa galleon this year. Very unique. We've seen a lot of fluvial processions and then dili inani usually ang design sa mga galleon. So this is the first time nga inani ka bongga, if I'm not mistaken. So at the front of the boat, there's na siya mga flowers there, and ang image is will be sitting over there. Sa kilid sa boat ng words nga Viva Pit Senior, of course, and naay mga sails. So murag siya, ang peg niya is murag siya galleon tanawan. Okay, so this will be very nice, especially kung maglawig na niya ang boat. And in the middle, kung asa usually magpark ang kanang mga vehicles nga mosakay ani nga ship, is nadira na transform into a huge hall kung asa may tabo ang mast while the procession is ongoing. So puno po na siya gandrita dira inside, and it looks really really nice. And one of the most noticeable features of this year's galleon, ang kaning mga lights. Take a look nga naa sa top deck sa boat. So abot dito ang mga lights ani guys. Looks really really nice. So especially later on kung maglawig na ni siya and ngit-ngit pa, this will look really really nice. So that's it for now. We're waiting for a couple people to board the ship, and then proceed na tayo sa atong next destination. See you. Hello Cebuanos, Pit Senior, and good morning. Good morning to all Cebuanos. Today is Saturday na, and adlaw na sa fluvial procession, fluvial parade along the Mactan Channel of the image of Señor Santo Niño de Cebu. One day na lang to go before the Sinulog Grand Parade and Fiesta Señor. So currently we're very very lucky to be on board Light Ferry 10. This is the official ferry that will be carrying the image of Señor Santo Niño back to Cebu City. So currently we just left one wharf in Mandaue City. We're moving na, and we're on our way to Lapu-Lapu City para i-fetch na ang so yeah, you can see over there Mandani Bay. Look at that. So a few hours from now, ini ka hayag-hayag maklaro, moagi ra pod balik ang galleon diha sa Mandani Bay. So look at Mandani Bay, looking really really nice from this angle. And guys, I'm very very happy to share nga ako, I've been following kuan man kanang the fluvial parade every year, and murag karon ko kita og ginani kanindot nga galleon. Take a look at that. So this will be where Señor Santo Niño will be. Look at all the banderitas, all the fresh flowers, even the front of the ship. Kompleto na siya. Oh, mga decors. Take a look at all the banderita. So currently wala pa joy visitors, wala pa joy guests nga nagsakay So boat magpasakay ni og visitors around 3 a.m. 2:30 baron or 3 a.m. So nag-finishing pa, kompleto na, limpyo na ang flooring, ang mga banderitas, kuan na, and nice pa din kayo na siya guys. I'll show you sa side sa galleon. Nagbutang sila og mga mura siya og mga sails. So mura gyud siya galleon. Nice kini siya tanawon from dito sa yuta. So take a look, oh. Na yung mga galleons nag-wave in the air, in the wind. Oh, kana siya mga galleons. Mga galleons, I mean mga sails. And then, nakaindot pagkat rin na siya murag lights. Gitabunan pa lang siya, kaya wala pa man. So, it's looking really really nice, especially kung hayag na ni. So, sakay na sa mga guests here katong gialaw nga musakay sa galleon na ay mass dito sa Ilaom. So by the way, nata sa pinaka top na level sa galleon sa ship, and we're sailing across along Mactan Channel. So narito ang Mandaue, Cebu City over there. And so far the weather is wala may taligsik, medyo cloudy, but earlier today wala joy ni clear gud ang skies, then mo cloudy na pod. Hopefully mo clear na in the early morning para daghang maka-participate, daghang maka-attend sa fluvial procession, annual fluvial procession. So muna siya. So that's it for now lang sa guys. See you taud-taod kung makarga na sa galleon ang image of Señor Santo Niño de Cebu. So that's it. Pit Señor everyone. Wow, look at the lights. So nice. Upurma siya og circle on top. Let's see. Whoa. Look at that. Amazing. So kani nga concept ay guys. Creation ni idea ni tanan ni Ma'am Marilu ang no of Magna CMG and Solutions. Siya nag-design ani, siya nag-conceptualize ani, and of course nag-realize anang a concept. And karon hitabo na siya. Take a look at that. Wapata kita og, if I'm not mistaken ha, wapata kita og kanang so karon po kita nga inaani ka bongga ang galleon guys, right?